Hi, I'm Stephanie from Accelerate Spreadsheet Solutions. Today I'm continuing my little series on organizing data in Excel, and this one's all about filtering by color, icon, or values. It's a quick way to spot exactly what you're looking for without digging through a long list of data. So let's jump right in. In this table, we're picking up where we left off after removing duplicate data and splitting out the full name into first and last name. If your data does not have a filter applied, like we see here, the first thing you need to do is to apply your filter. If your data is in a table like this one, you simply need to put your cursor somewhere in the table. It does not matter where. Go to your ribbon, select Data, and then the Filter button, and then you will see the filters apply. Now, the most common form of filtering is to filter by text or values. So I will demonstrate that now. If I want to filter by department, I can deselect all here and then select the two departments like HR or marketing and apply that there. Another thing people don't realize is that you can filter just by starting to type the data or the text that you want. If I started to type marketing, you can see that marketing is now applied. To remove a filter, you can select Clear Filter from Department. Another way you can filter data is by icons. You can see here I've put some icons in there. If a status is active, you see a check mark. If it's inactive, it's an X. So to filter by icon, you're going to select Filter by Color. And when you do that, you see Filter by Cell icon, and it will show you all the icons that you have in your list. So this example, we're going to pick the check marks, and you can see that those are now applied. Another way to filter your data is by color, and it can be either by font color or cell color. So to do that again, you're going to go by filter by color, and I'm going to select dark red font. And there you have all the inactive. Another way to filter your data is to do multiple filters. So in this case, I want to see all active statuses, and then I want to pick HR. So I can just type HR, and then I have that filtered by HR and active. Filtering is a simple trick that many Excel users take for granted. However, it really does help you zero in on the data or the information you need to see at a glance. I hope you found the demonstration useful or helpful, and if you did, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, or for you to check out my blog or website. Let's go accelerate your business together.